Hello, everybody, and welcome back to VetMap, where we go through this amazing veterinary medicine journey, thinking of it as just a study session among friends, fellow students, and just other veterinary medicine enthusiasts. So let's go on this next chapter. Today we are back to Anatomy 101, covering the basics, division of the animal body. This is going to be part 4, and we will be talking about the abdomen portion. As always, we will begin with the terms, so you can stop the video here if you want to write these down or take a screenshot. Today we'll be talking about the regions of the abdomen, or regiones abdominis. As always, terms are both in English and in Latin for your own comfort. As you can see, we have just a few to cover today, so this lecture will be quick and easy. Also, we have time codes down below, so check them out if you want to go to just some part of this video. Here we have the first part of the regions of the abdomen. This is the ventral view. First, in green, we have the cranial abdominal region, which consists of two other regions. So number 30 is right here. The cranial, or the first part, the part that is at the front, because cranial means front, right here. Then we have the hypochondriac region, which is right here. This region is double on both sides. And then we have the xiphoid region right here. This is the region of ending of the sternum, if you will, because sternum has also a cartilage or a process which has a different name. So this is that region right here. Then next up we have the middle abdominal region, or Regio abdominis media, which is right here in yellow with number 31. And we also have the lateral abdominal region, which is the side region of the middle part of the stomach, which is right here. This region is also double, both on left and right side. Then we have the paralumbar fossa, which is fossa paralumbalis. This is only seen from the lateral perspective. And then we have the umbilical region, Regio umbilicalis, which is right here. This is where the umbilical cord used to attach, and now this is just this region left right here. Then we have the caudal abdominal region in red, 32, or the back region of the stomach, which is right here in red. Then we have the inguinal region, which is right here. You can think of it as the very sides of the ending or the back portion of the belly. And then we have the pubic and the preputial region. Now the preputial region is only for male dogs because of their male genitalia, but this region would be right here. As you can see, this is a male dog, so this is shown right here. And then the regio pubica, or pubic region, is meant for both females and male dogs. This is now the lateral view of the abdomen. So the only part of the abdomen that we can see well from the side is the middle abdominal region, or the lateral region, because the cranial part is covered by the thoracic region and the caudal part is covered by the hind leg. So what we have is the lateral abdominal region right here in yellow, number 31, and then we have again the paralumbar fossa, which we will cover in more detail in the future, which is right here. You can see it on your dog or on your other animal. It's basically like kind of a down going and then up, like a hole in the side of the stomach. It's meant to be there, but it doesn't have to be super deep, just a little hole on the side. And then we have the umbilical region again, but this can only be seen from the ventral perspective, which we already covered. We have a few more slides now. Think of it as repetition, just from a different perspective. This we have like the whole animal almost, apart from the hind legs, so this hopefully will be easier for you to imagine everything. So again, we have the xiphoidic region, which I already mentioned is like the cartilage of the sternum, which is right here. Then we have the umbilical region right here, then the prepucial region right here, only again meant for male dogs. Then we have the pubic region, which is both for females and male dogs. Then we have the middle abdominal region right here, just the middle of the belly, nothing too complicated. And then the caudal abdominal region, which is the hind portion of the abdomen. Again, from the lateral perspective, we have the paralumbar fossa, then the lateral abdominal region, which is basically just the side region of the stomach. Then we have the region of the lateral fold, which wasn't mentioned before. This is the fold that connects the skin of the stomach or the abdomen, because stomach has a different meaning sometimes, to the skin of the hind leg. So it's like a fold which you can feel if, let's say, you're doing a palpation, which is always there, and you can see it here kind of well in this picture. Then we have again the inguinal region, which is right here, just below the region of the lateral fold. Then the pubic region, where the genitalia sits. Then the umbilical region, where the umbilical cord was attached. And then the prepucial region, only for male dogs. And now the last slide for this portion. This is just a dorsal view, so the only thing that we can see of the stomach is the lateral abdominal region, just the side. If the dog is hopefully not too thin to see this part of the stomach or the abdomen. Okay, so this is the last part. We have again the regions of the abdomen. This we already covered, the lateral plica or fold region, which is Regio lateralis. Then we have the abdominal mammary gland region, and we have the inguinal mammary gland region, and then the upper region or the region of the udder, which is also only in female cows or goats, animals that have an udder. Again, for the last time, just a different perspective, the ventral view, region of the lateral fold. Again, how I mentioned, it's just a flap of skin that connects the abdominal skin to the hind leg. Then the abdominal mammary or abdominal mammary gland region, which is right here. As you probably remember if you watched the third part of the series, is that we have the thoracic part of the mammary glands. This is the abdominal part. And then we have the inguinal part of mammary region. So we have three regions. So it's very different from, let's say, human anatomy, because animals have way more mammary glands than we do. So this is an important thing to remember. So we have three zones: the thoracic, the abdominal, and the inguinal. Okay, so thank you for listening. This was quick and easy as always. Again, this is the literature and other sources. Good things to check out. Again, the anatomy of the dog, good book. This time I used the bovine anatomy. The author is the same. And then we have, again, colored atlas, good for learning anatomy on your computer. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Vet Map out.